Okay, we got it close here. So if you look at it just from this angle here, just the back side of the pressure plate, it's pretty even. Just look at the one side, not the other side, so it's got to do that. It's pretty straight. This side's wobbling, the other side's barely moving. So it bounces around a little bit. It's hard to get exactly right. Probably more than sufficient for this job. So, you see how I've reversed the chuck jaws there in the chuck. So these used to be the parts you clamped on, now we're on the back side clamping. That's why I didn't cut too much of a radius, because I wanted something to bite onto. I still have room to trim it off right here square, which is a little difficult, but we did it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and cut that out a little bit. Look at me, look over there. Okay, the indicator out of the way. It doesn't get broken. Okay, so now we're going to flatten this out, and we need to cut for the air cleaner. I need to get this part done before I can move on to the other part, so that's why I went ahead and did this. I need a better view from this view over here. Yeah, I like this shot. We're just laying the camera right up on top of here, so get a good view of what's going on. All right, let's see what we got here. Except for right there. Not wobbling very much anymore. Shocker, huh? My cutter is cutting anymore. Yeah, it's rubbing metal off, it's not cutting it off anymore. See how it's all loaded up right here? The holder actually here is doing the cut and not the bit. So I need to loosen up, pull the bit back out a little bit. It's been ground too many times, so it's undersized. Probably why I didn't do such a good job last time I used it. Okay. Do a little friendly persuasion so it'll start cut. You help it one way, it hurts it the other way though, so. See if we can cut both directions. bit's way undersized, so that's a problem. Okay, let's see how it works this time. Smoother, very uneven, so I'm going to cut again to clean things up. Much smoother. Except that initial cut on the inside looks like crap. Can't have everything. Cut a little bit more off of that yet. That's rubbing. Oh yeah. Time for another bit. That was junk. I think we wore that one out. It's got a big turd on there. Just done. It's got a nice sharp surface. Maybe it'll work. So I cheat and hang it way out over the edge. Eventually it'll break the bit off, but we don't care if it breaks off. It's done anyway. Okay, that should be a better finish. I still haven't cleaned out over here yet, 100%. So it's a good chance to do it all at once again. That's cutting nicely there. That's a real cut. That's really nicely. Super smooth. Amazing when a bit actually does cut instead of rubbing it off. Oh, I still haven't got that cleaned over there yet. Still haven't got that all the way yet either there. Okay, cut some more. And out, cut more, right? at that. Fits right in there. Pretty close anyway. Still has to spread a little bit to get in there, but in there. Holds it in there, look at that. The air cleaner's not very round. Look at that. That's a precision fit, it stays in. Can't ask for any better than that. So these need to come off. We'll do that a different way. All right. This surface now makes this side look over here look like crap. See the difference? It's different. You get a bit that actually cuts versus rub. Oh well. What happens when you try to take everything you can out of your bits? At some point they don't work anymore. Okay, so this one here is looking pretty good. These posts are still way higher than they need to be. So I need to deburr this edge a little bit like we did before. So I can go over here. Another non-tripod shot. So you do kind of a flat angle like that, and you have a radius angle over there. 1, 2, down the middle. Okay. Nice and cut. So we got this hole right here, which is going to be an air leak right here, but not right over the hole. So you kind of push and rotate at the same time, it drops it right in. Nice plug fit, huh? So you can see the hole right through there. That's where the hole is. So that's your air leak. So if you want to fix that, you'll have to put a little weld right there to fix that, or something else. What did I do? Not turn that all the way across? A rough ass finish. Looks like I didn't finish it. Yeah. I don't know why I didn't do that. That's kind of stupid. Tie spot. Yeah. I don't know why I stopped there, right there. That's stupid. Well, it's just cold. Oh, that's it now. finish it. Preoccupied, I guess. So you keep following the same spot here, but you're moving around the circle here, so you're not making any big gouges in here anyway. Last thing you do, you put on a sanding table and sand it, if you care. So, alright, that's nice and flat, except for the bad spot. So we'll go over here and work on the sandpaper a little bit. Get her a nice, well-used paper here. Get a little sanding right over here. See if we can make this look a little better. Looks pretty good. You throw a bead blast on that, it looks really nice. Nice and smooth now. Why didn't you just make it like this to begin with? I spent all these hours making stuff like this. Oh well, all that just to get a good backing plate. We're still not done with it. We got a hole we got to plug up. We got to shorten the post up. Got to tap these screws down deeper. There's still a lot of stuff to be done. At least now the air cleaner fits. Nice flat surface. We'll put this air cleaner on there and see how far it goes down. And that's how much we're going to be exposed on the back. That far. That's if we didn't have anything else in there, but we have this big chunk of crap that has to go in there, so it's going to get worse. I knocked that dent out that was in there too. It's not dented anymore, see? Got a big dent in there if you look at the other views. Got my body hammer right here and my lead sandbag right here. Yeah. I didn't use any of the tools you're supposed to. Alright, so now I have to figure out how I'm going to make this work, but I think we're going to wait for another day on that because it's almost 2 o'clock. Time to get out of here. Alright. That's it for the night. I go and fix my lathe jaws over there and call it a night. So that's it for now.